Have you ever wondered why your stomach growls when you're hungry? It's not your stomach begging for food, it's your digestive muscles at work. Even when empty, your intestines contract and push leftover food, gas, and fluids around. This process is called the migrating motor complex. The sound? That's just gas and liquids sloshing around in those tight muscular tubes. And guess what? It happens even when you're not hungry. But it's louder when your stomach's empty because there's less to muffle the sound. So next time your belly growls, it's not just asking for food, it's cleaning house.